Okay, the study below Ruth. Study 3. Question 1. Share him something where he help him you from lesson where he finish go. Question 2. Was way? Any something lo okay the lesson ya where he knew something where you learn him? Question 3. Was way? You sabi share him any feeling you got him? Time you feel him or him God, him look after him you, good fella? Reading first time. Ruth, chapter 3 and verse 1. By me read him some fella part lo okay the verse no more. Naomi, hemi tokels him lo Ruth. Me must find him one fella man for married him you. Make him you savi got him place where you savi stop good no more. You savi, man ya Boaz, hemi one fella man lo family, blo husband, blo me ya. Hemi fit him for Boaz married him you. You listen. Lo evening today, hemi good for you go swim, and you wear him good fella calico blo you, and you go down lo place ya, whereby hemi waka lo him. Time Boaz, hemi kai finish, and hemi go for sleep, by you must look good fella lo place where hemi lay down for sleep. Now you must go, lift him up blanket, lo leg blo him, and lay down go cos up lo in lo leg blo him, for ask him for look after him you. By hemi tell him you, one him by you savi do him. So Ruth, hemi go down lo place ya, where o get a clean him out skin blo bali, and hemi do him every something where Naomi been tell him lo him. Question 4. Want him now, Naomi, hemi want him for Ruth. Question 5. Want him now, Naomi, hemi ting heavy lo Boaz, by hemi do him. Ruth, chapter 3, start lo verse 7, kasim verse 10. Time Boaz, hemi go and sleep, Ruth, hemi walk about quiet go. Hemi lift him up blanket lo leg blo Boaz. Now hemi lay down cos up lo in lo leg blo him. Lo middle lo night ya, Boaz hemi seke, and hemi wake up. Hemi surprised to mas for looking that one fella woman, hemi go ahead for lay down cos up lo in lo leg blo him. Hemi ask him Ruth als him, hey, you who ya? Now woman ya, hemi talk als him. Me Ruth no more ya, waka marry blo you. Me like him you for look after him me, because you one fella lo family blo husband blo me, and hemi fit him for you married him me. Please, you take him me. By me come up als him wife blo you now. Boaz hemi talk als him. You no fright. Every people lo place ya is sabi finish where you one fella good fella woman. By me do him every something ya where you ask him. Question 6. Want him now Ruth hemi make him Boaz for ting him more. Question 7. Want him now or get the people of Bethlehem eating him lo Ruth. Reading more. Ruth, chapter 3, verse 12 and verse 13. Boaz, hemi talk more als him. Hemi true where me one fella man lo family blo husband blo you. But one fella man hemi stop no more, who hemi goes up more long husband blo you winning me. And hemi barava fit him for look after him you winning me. Hemi good for you stop lo here tonight. And lo morning, by me try for ask him suppose hemi savi take him you, for hemi look after him you. But suppose hemi less, me tell him you true lo name blo Yahweh, who hemi life, by me take him you. Make him me look after him you. So you stop lo here, go kasim morning. Question 8. Want him now, Boaz? Hemi promise him for Ruth. Ruth, chapter 3, verse 14 and 15. So Ruth hemi sleep lo place here, go kasim morning. But time hemi too dark yet, Boaz hemi tell him Ruth for get up, because hemi no like him anyone for savvy, that woman ya, hemi been come and stop lo place ya. So Boaz hemi tokos him lo him. You take him out, make 2 calico blo you ya, and you stret him lo place ya, make him me capside him some fella barley on top lo him. Hemi do him os him. And Boaz hemi capside him barley on top lo calico ya. Go hemi goes up cast him 20 kilo. Hemi help him Ruth for lift him up calico ya, where hemi full up lo barley. So Ruth hemi carry him go back lo town now. Question 9. Want him now, Boaz, hemi do him, where hemi saw him feeling blo him for Ruth. Ruth, chapter 3, verse 16 and 17. Time Ruth hemi kas him house. Naomi hemi ask him also him. How now every something? So Ruth hemi tokos him lo him. Oh, manya hemi kind to mas lo me, and hemi promise whereby hemi straight him married blo me. And hemi give him barley ya lo me, because hemi say, where hemi no good for me come back lo you, suppose me no hold him come any something for you. Question 10. Want him now or get a word inside lo this fella's story ya, where hemi saw you me that Naomi and Ruth I berava friend good to us. Ruth, chapter 3 and verse 18. Naomi, hemi tokos him lo Ruth. Hemi good you me wait no more, for look him or get a something whereby hemi happen. Because Boaz, by hemi no savvy sit down, go hemi finish, for straight him something ya today. Question 11. Naomi, hemi tell him Ruth for 2 fella must wait first time. Was way, you savvy find him easy no more, time you do him this one? Ruth, chapter 4, start lo verse 1, kasim verse 4. Boaz, hemi go lo big fella door lo wall stone blo town ya, place where o get a man savvy make him meeting lo him, and hemi sit down wait. No long time no more, manya lo family blo Elimelech, who hemi goes up more lo Elimelech win him, hemi go pass. Now Boaz, hemi tokos him lo manya, hey, brata, you come first time and sit down lo here. So manya, hemi come and hemi sit down with him. Boaz hemi call him come 10 fella leader lo town ya, and hemi tokos him lo kita. Please, you fella come and sit down lo here. So kita come and sit down. And hemi tokos him lo manya. Naomi, who hemi come back finish from Moab, hemi like for sell him piece ground ya, lo Elimelech. Kasin brata blo you me. So me like for tell him you. Suppose you like him piece ground ya, you must pay him now. Because you Sullivan now number 1 man who hemi got him right for pay him out. But suppose you no pay him, me now make 2 man who hemi got him right for pay him out. Manya hemi tokos him. Me now by me pay him out. Question 12. Want him now one tak who hemi goes up to Masya, hemi willing for do him. Okay, story about him ook het a man, where ook het a sit down for story, hemi go head also him. Lo Ruth, chapter 4, verse 5 and verse 6. Boaz, hemi talk also him lo one talk. All right. Suppose you pay him out ground, yeah, lo Naomi. You must marry him Ruth too. This fellow widow woman, yeah, who hemi married before, lo pikanini Blong Elimelech. Lo way ya now, by ground ya, hemi go ahead for stop, lo name blo man ya, and for got him pikanini for look after him piece ground ya. One talk ya, hemi talk osem. Suppose osem, me no sabi pay him out this fella piece ground ya, because suppose me do him osem, might me lose him or get a something where I'll get a pikanini blo me by e onam. So you now must pay him out ground ya, me no more now. Question 13. One him now, one talk, hemi no willing for do him. Ruth, chapter 4, start lo verse 7, kasim verse 10. One fella custom way blo get lo Israel before. Time two fella agree lo any something. Man who hemi sell him ground must take him out, slip up lo him, and give him gold or man who hemi pay him out ground ya. So time one talk ya, hemi tell him Boaz for pay him out ground ya. Hemi take him out, slip up lo him, and give him gold or Boaz. And Boaz, hemi talk lo everyone osem. You fella everyone, he witness blo me now. Today, me pay him out every something ya now lo Naomi. This time, every something where's fast time, hemi blo Elimelech, and Kilion, and Malon, oketa I blo me now. And Ruth, this fella woman blo Moab, where Malon hemi die from, hemi come up wife blo me now. Make him hemi got him pikanini for carry him name blo manya, and for take over lo ground blo him. And o get lo family blo him, by ino sabi for get him name blo him. And you me everyone lo place ya, ino sabi for get him too. Today, you fella everyone I look him now something ya, where me do him. So o get a leader, with him o get another fella people more, lo place ya I tokos him. Yeah, hemi good. Me fella now I witness blo you. Question 14. One him now hemi different about him Boaz. Ruth, chapter 4, verse 13. So Boaz, hemi take him Ruth lo home blo him, and two fella married now. God hemi bless him Ruth now, hemi babule, and hemi born him one fella pikanini boy. O get a woman long town ya, I tokos him lo Naomi. Naomi, you me press him Yahweh. Today, hemi give him one fella small granny lo you, who hemi born lo Ruth. Make him by hemi savi look after him you. Let him pikanini ya, hemi come up one fella big man blo you me people blo Israel. Question 15. From where now hemi come for one fella woman for got him pikanini? Reading more. Ruth, chapter 4, start lo verse 15, kasim verse 17. By pikanini ya, hemi make him life blo you, hemi come up good fella more. And time you olo, by hemi look after him you. And Ruth, hemi love him you to mas. No matter you got him 7 fella pikanini boy for help him you, Baoketa no savi help him you, good fella, all same where hemi do him for you, time hemi born him this fella pikanini. So Naomi, hemi carry him pikanini ya, and hemi go ahead for look after him now. O get a woman lo place blo him, I call him pikanini ya, Obed, and o get a go ahead for tokos him. This time, Naomi hemi got him one fella pikanini boy now. Obed ya, hemi daddy blo Jesse, and Jesse hemi daddy blo King David. Two fella question now I come up from this fella reading. Question 16. Who now take him praise long every something where hemi happen? Question 17. Wanem now Naomi hemi barava happy lohem. Reading from New Testament this time. Matthew chapter 1. Hem garim ook het tok ja about him line blo Jesus. Dis wel a tok ja hemi about him line blo Jesus Christ. Jesus hemi born kam lo line blo King David. And David hemi born kam lo line blo Abraham. Abraham hemi daddy blo Isaac. And Isaac hemi daddy blo Jacob. And Jacob hemi daddy blo Judah with him ook het a brother blo him. Him got him stuck a name lo here, yeah, but you me jump go down kas him Boaz. And Boaz, hemi daddy blo Obed, where mommy blo him now Ruth. And Obed, hemi daddy blo Jesse. And Jesse, hemi daddy blo King David. David, hemi daddy blo Solomon, where mommy blo him Bathsheba. You me jump go down more because hemi staka tumas. And Matan, hemi daddy blo Jacob. And Jacob, hemi daddy blo Joseph, husband blo Mary. And Mary now, hemi mommy blo Jesus, this fella Messiah. Two fella good question come up from this fella reading about him line blo Jesus. Question 18. Who now David? Question 19. Who now barava important man who hemi born lo family blo Ruth and Boaz. Ogeta something where you me learn him lo study 3. Naomi hemi love him too much daughter-in-law blo him Ruth. Hem savi where him cast him time for hemi do him something for find him home for Ruth. Naomi, hemi like him for Boaz mas savi that him and Ruth, I trust him. Whereby him now for pay him back land blo oketa, and for married him Ruth. You me learn him that Naomi tell him Ruth for him go and sleep close up lo lake blo Boaz. Boaz hemi savi finish that way blo Ruth ya, hemi good to mas. Boaz send him go Ruth for go back lo Naomi, and hemi give him staka kai lo him too, for take him go back for two fella Naomi. Boaz hemi promise him, Ruth, that by Ruth hemi look good lo something ya, long that fella day now. Naomi hemi tell him Ruth for wait, and for hemi stop quiet, go cast him time, where hemi savi that by oketa something, he come up alright. God hemi tell him you me everyone sometime for wait. Sometime hemi hard to mas. But you me must wait, go cast him time. God hemi show him you me next something. Okay, you me sabe lo story now. Boaz hemi married him Ruth. Boaz hemi one fella picks up lo Jesus Christ. Hemi pay him back Ruth. Hemi take him and give him or get a good something for him. Hemi accept him and love him. Long same way ya, Master Jesus, hemi love him you me too. Hemi forgive him you me. Hemi give him you me life, where hemi stop all away. Hemi give him you me hope and security, and stark a blessing more. Time fast son blo Boaz and Ruth hemi born. Naomi hemi barava happy to mas. O get a time blo sorry and cry, hemi finish now. And hemi savi that God now hemi make him happy also. Hemi important to mas, that you me must ding him for praise him God for every good something where hemi do him lo life blo you me. Ruth hemi woman blo Moab, but hemi one fella all o granny blo David. Big fella king blo Israel. And because Jesus Christ hemi born lo family blo David, name blo Ruth hemi come up with him oketa name blo oketa all o granny blo him. God hemi welcome no more long people from any line or tribe. Suppose oketa trust him or same Ruth been do him.